Hi everyone, I'm Ashma and welcome back to my channel Merriness. If you are new to my channel, then please click the red color subscribe button. It's free for you all but means a lot to me. And if you are a returning subscriber, then please click the bell notification. Once you click that, click on options and select all notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for your patience. So in today's video, we'll be unboxing the From Paris box for the month of January. Now this month's theme is Happy Girls Are the Prettiest and the box is priced at ₹699 with free shipping. So let's quickly jump into the video. So this is how the box looks. It's a pretty simple white color box, but they have kept their logo simple and they have also mentioned the theme for this month. It says Happy Girls Are the Prettiest. Wishing you a very happy and magical year. May all your dreams come true. This is the January edition. So let's quickly open this and see all the products. So the first thing comes into my hand is their info card, and I really like the info card and the thought and the time which they have taken in making all of this. It's really nice. I'll just read it out to you all. The dressing table pledge. This year I promise I will remain positive even if my lipstick breaks or mascara shakes. I will call myself beautiful even if my heels crack or pimples come back. I will keep calm through the mood swings and shower love on all pretty things. Happy girls are the prettiest. So I really loved the info card this time. So this is a bookmark. It is not a product, but it's just there, and this one says everything begins with an idea. That's nice for them to add it. It matches with my background, and something is just coming like, come open me. This is surely the ring, and I really like the packaging. The packaging is really quirky and quite thoughtful, I would say. And here comes my beautiful ring. So this is the first jewelry product which I have got in my Paris box, and this one is adjustable, so you can just wear it in between the fingers like this, and it just feels like the pearls are popping out from sides of your fingers. It looks really beautiful and elegant. I've got this rose gold color, but the color for you all may vary. The jewelry pieces will remain the same. There is no customization this month, but the colors for the jewelry may vary. The pearls are looking of very good quality, and also this material is quite sturdy, so this will not bend very easily, though it is adjustable, but it will remain firm. And I also liked the packaging which they have sent along. Moving on to the next jewelry product, which has come again wrapped in pink. So it's really nice. It's very girly this time, and everything is all in pink. So these are this front and back earrings, and the pearls are silver, which I have got. They are very beautiful. This one is like a small pearl, and then there is a huge pearl. You can wear it either ways, the small pearl in front or the big pearl in front. It totally depends on you. And the best part is that you can open it from the front, or you can even open it from the back, so you can wear it any which ways you want. I do have something similar in this kind of earrings. It's not a pearl, it's a crystal, but that's made up of chain, and this one is made up of a wire. So you have to be careful that the wire does not bend. It's really delicate, but at the same time it's looking so pretty, so beautiful. I really loved the choice of color. I was really hoping that I get something in silver and gold, and I'm so happy that I got this silver one. You might get a different color, not probably the same color, but the design will be the same. Then the next product is from skincare range, and this is the Nature's Co French Muguet Jasmine Body Mist. Now this is a 30 ml product. I never knew this came in 30 ml. This is priced at ₹225, and let's quickly open this and see the fragrance. And one more thing is that this was made exclusively for From Paris box, and it is not for individual sale. So I'm not a big fan of jasmine fragrances, but let's quickly check this one out. I sniffed it immediately after applying the fragrance, but you need to wait for at least like 20 to 30 seconds for the mist to dry a little and to settle it on your skin. And once it settles down, it gives nice mild floral fragrance. But if you sniff it immediately, it's really strong, so you need to be careful with that. Otherwise, it settles to a nice mild fragrance. Now moving on, the next skincare product is a sheet mask from Monsub. I have used this variant before and it works pretty well, and it's called the Deep Brightening and Whitening Beauty Facial Mask, and this one is priced at rupees 250. Moving on, the next product is a makeup product, and they have sent an Avon gel finish nail enamel. Now this is the one which I am wearing right now, like a gel finish look. This is just one coat, so maybe if you apply 2 coats it will look more brighter, but in one coat only you can see the actual color. So it's a pretty good quality, and this one's price is rupees 249. This is an 8 ml bottle, and I've not seen Avon in any of the subscription boxes yet. Now moving to the last product, which is a lifestyle product. Let's quickly open this. And this is a photo frame which says the theme of this month, happy girls are the prettiest, and it looks superb. I've never seen a subscription box at this range of 699 sending a photo frame as a lifestyle product, and the frame quality looks good. If you want, you can also change the picture later, but I absolutely love this. This is such a good decor, and they have also sent a 10% off on the store, so you can get a 10% off, and there is no minimum amount required to purchase from this store. So you just have to use the coupon TPB10. I'll put this coupon code in the description tab below, so if you want you can check it out. The brand is Insta Note. I forgot to mention the brand. The brand is Insta Note, and the frame's price is rupees 299. So it's an absolutely wonderful addition to the month's. So these were all the products which you would be getting in the From Paris box for the month of January, and the box is just priced at rupees 699, and you will be getting all these products. My favorites from the box are these earrings, which are like, you can pair it up with any kind of dresses. They are superb, they are delicate and stylish. I also liked the gel finish Avon nail paint and the photo frame which says happy girls are the prettiest. It's a beautiful decor piece. So these were my favorites. Do let me know which are your favorites in the comment section below. And if you liked this month's box and if you want to purchase it, I will put a direct link to buy this box in the description tab below, so that you can just click on the link and buy the box if you are interested. And all the other details of this box will also be mentioned below in the description tab. So if you like this video and if this video was helpful and useful for you all, then please do give this video a big thumbs up for my efforts. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching Merriness.